Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to Sharda's Vision Hub. In this video I am showing you a very beautiful eye makeup. So if you like this video or eye makeup, please subscribe my channel and share my video as much as possible. Without get any video को start करते हैं. Yes, here I am using black eyeshadow from Kajal color palette and buffing it out. Then I'm using a brown shade on my crease area and blend it with my black eyeshadow. After that I'm using the same palette Kajal and unpick the golden shade and apply on my inner corners of my eyes. Here I am using some glitter from my glittery palette on my whole eyelid and define my brow bones from highlighter. Here I am using a gel eyeliner, black gel eyeliner, and make a pointed corner in my inner corners of my eyes and outer corner of my eyes. And make the sharp edges. After that I am applying the falsies and applying mascara from Wet n Wild on my lashes and lower lashes, and here is the final look.